If you've tried several hair routine treatments but your hair still refuses to grow, then you've come to the right place, because in this video I'll be showing you this magic mix, as I like to call it, which I've used and seen very good results. Not just how to make it, but also the right way to apply it in order to get your hair to never stop growing.
So the first thing I'll be doing is to wash and cut my medium-sized aloe vera into small chops. You wouldn't want to be throwing away the back of this. Do you know why? Because it also contains healing properties and nutrients. Once it's well blended to the smoothest texture that it can be, I'll then begin to cook on a very low heat. With that out of the way, I then went ahead to prep this medium-sized avocado and added it to cook alongside with it. The next thing to add to this mix is olive oil, and this olive oil actually is 25 cl and can go all in, but I made use of just 20 cl. I'll be using my spoon to break down this avocado for a smoother finish, even though there's a better way to do this, which is to blend your avocado alongside your aloe vera in order to suck out all the nutrients suckable. I think I cooked this for about 20 minutes. I can't exactly remember, but then you can see the difference between the start and the finished product, so you would actually know when it's ready because it has gotten much darker. I'll then leave to cool, and it's best to leave until the next day. So I got this sieve from one of my cute shoes. I'll then go ahead to sieve this mix into a clean plate. I'll be sieving it twice, but for the second time I'm going to double the sieve in order to get clean smooth oil. I'll then go ahead to transfer this oil into my spray bottle for easy use.
Now that the production process is out of the way, the big question still remains: what is the best way to use this mix in order to get the best result? The first method, which I am about to show you, is what I consider to be the game changer, and it blows my mind that not many people talk about it because it works so well even when you use oil alone. You know, when you use deep conditioner alone and it works so well on your hair by hydrating your hair, especially the outer part of your hair, well, when you put this mixture in it penetrates deep into the hair coils while hydrating your hair like crazy. And guess what? It's perfect for dry, damaged or chemically treated hair, as it restores back all of that lost strength to your hair, brings back elasticity, and also prevents breakage. Just make sure to cover your hair after application for 15 to not more than 30 minutes. Emphasis on not more than 30 minutes. And I'll be telling you the reason why after showing you the other two methods. The second method is the one I never miss using whenever I get the chance. Do you know that your hair gets stressed from just carrying on hairstyles, especially when it's for long periods, and also goes through further stress when you're taking down these hairstyles? No? Well, now you do. So the best method to strengthen your hair and prepare it for the rough journey of takedown is to apply this mix on your strands and tips a night before the takedown, and make sure to cover up the hair so that it can heat up and absorb properly. Now, the third method of application, as far as I'm concerned, is more effective than the first two methods, and that is why it is my favorite method. But before I show you how I do my favorite method, why do I call this mix a magic mix? The reason why research on aloe vera has been mixed all this while is because aloe vera contains so many active ingredients and proteins. Telling you all of these benefits is like asking you to miss work on a Monday morning just so that we can do YouTube all day, because we don't have all of that time. I'm just going to be telling you the most important to you. Aside the fact that it controls greasing that leads to oil overload and helps scalp condition, it also acts as sunscreen that can protect your hair from harmful UV rays from the sun. Yes, the same way the sun can damage your skin is also the way the sun can damage your hair, by causing breakage, lessening elasticity, and even giving your hair a very dull look. I mean, if you've used aloe vera gel alone, a lot of you will be able to testify. There's this shine that it brings. It makes your hair come back to life, literally. Avocado is like food to the hair, which contains healthy fats that makes it resistant to damage. While repairing the already damaged hair, it also contains biotin, which is like the biggest vitamin required for healthy hair. So whether you're consuming it internally or you're using it on your hair, you are in for something good. Just like aloe vera as well, it also acts as sunscreen to the hair. The result olive oil gives to you is a far stronger hair. So if you're suffering from hair loss or scalp issues like hair lice and all of that, then olive oil is definitely your best bet. It's filled with antioxidants that reverses the damages from heat styling or from chemical use or from break. So it does all of this by conditioning your hair and sealing in moisture, and in doing this it's preventing split ends and resisting breakage. Now let me show you the third and the most effective method of applying this magic mix.
Firstly, I spray my hair with just water and then go ahead to massage this magic mix while focusing on the strands and massaging into the scalp. And in order for this mix to get to every single strand, I make sure to work in sessions, then comb right after. Then I cover my hair with a cap, just like in the first two methods, and the reason is to create natural warmth in order for this mix to penetrate for maximum benefit. I also leave in for not more than 30 minutes. Just like you do a pre-shampoo, I use this to protect my hair, as most shampoo contains sulfates that can strip the hair of its natural oil.
It would be really unfair to not tell you the bad sides of this magic mix. I mean, you know what they say, every good thing has its bad personalities. Nobody says that. Okay, but the thing is that it smells really awful. Not awful per se, but it doesn't smell very nice. You know how aloe vera smells now. And also, it can harm your hair if you do it wrong. Imagine an Olivia who goes to the doctor because she's sick, and this doctor gives her pills and asks her to take 2 daily, and she goes like,
"Oh doc, sorry, I can't take 2 pills daily. I have to take 10 daily because I want to get better quicker."
well, that's how crazy you are going to sound if you decide to keep on this mix on for too long, because this mix is literally oil, and leaving it on for too long can literally block your hair follicles. And it's even worse when it begins to attract dirt and then leads to a scalp infection. And in case you are wondering,
why not use this product in its natural state?
well, the truth is that this product gives you better benefits when you convert it into oil in this way, because it's better able to penetrate into the hair cores and gives you all of that benefits that you require. Notice that most of the benefits in this mix is about strengthening your hair, preventing breakage, or reversing damage. Like I always like to say, nothing you can do, at least not externally, to grow your hair. If your hair grows 1 inch every month, but breakage occurs and then you lose 1 inch every month, you will end up with this false notion that your hair is not growing. So whenever I give tips, I make sure that these tips are tips that reasonably strengthens your hair, prevents all of these damages, and maintains the growth, as that is the only way for you to see that your hair is growing. So be rest assured that these 3 methods are foolproof guaranteed to give you great results. But there's one other thing that can really hold you back from growing a very long and healthy hair if you don't address it. Watch this video now for an instant fix.